Hello guys, greetings according to the time you're watching. I successfully bagged this one, just like I mentioned earlier on the previous video. For those that stake high, those that participate on high stakers. So this is we are in the month of high stakes. It's also for those doing rollover. So this is the period we're on it. So this is the first one we've gotten, apart from the previous ones which I'll be showing on this video. So there's one going on now, but they are done already, so it's successful. So this is the one that is going on now. See it here. This is the particular one going on, and they are done already, so you can check the results right now. You can check it now. So we stake 22 million on it. You can see it, 22 million on it. This is the live, but they are done now, so everything is success right now. So successful grab this particular one. This is the game here. As you can see it, Newcastle, Arsenal and Inter Milan, all of them won. So you can see it here. This is the when we are still on live. So for high stakers, for those that want to participate, can chat me or with the number showing on the screen. And also for rollover also. Then Zoom Soccer people, I will also post you guys new tricks. But if you want new tricks personal, maybe want to get it private, I will also teach you that one privately, so that you can know the new tricks on Zoom Soccer. But for this live soccer, those that want to participate for high stakers, you can start with maybe with your stake can be like from 10. If you can meet up with those that stake millions, you can stake from 10k, 20k upwards, 50k, 100k. More high stake, more profit. For example, if it's a 2 odd and you stake 100k, it's going to double your stake. You have extra 100k on it if it's 2 odd. So the same thing with a 1.8 odd, 1.7 something odd. That's how we do it. So it depends on the one you can stake if you are capable and able to join us on high stakes. And for those doing rollover, then rollover, let me throw more light on rollover, how rollover works. Rollover works like, for example, when you start on the first day. Once you start on the first day with rollover, for example, you stake 100k first time on rollover, maybe like 1.8 something odd. You're going to have maybe profit of 80,000 on it. So what you do is keep your capital, then continue with the profit you have on the second day if you are doing rollover. Then after winning the second day, continue again with your winning, like 3 or 4 days. You can now decide to divide your profit into 2. Then continue with a half of it. Continue doing it like that. And you see now your capital is safe. Then you have extra profit standby. Then continue with the other profit. That's how everything will be safe for you. That's how rollover works. Don't be too greedy. Then if you are staking high, maybe you are just doing maybe a few days, you are not on rollover. Then once you stake high, the kind of odd, when you are, for people that stake this kind of game, you can see the one that stake 22 million. This kind of game can't be anyhow game. So it's something that will be serious with. So how you pick this kind of, you follow them up. Know the teams who give out for high stakes. So know the team will give. So don't pick much, highest 2 or 3 games. Or even if you are staking like 5 or 4 games, we know the option, the simplest option to stake for it, so that in everything to be to secure your funds. So this is how this tricks works. So if you want to join us, you can copy the number on WhatsApp showing on the screen of this video. Then chat me up. For high stakers, they have a one-time payment that is for lifetime. You are not going to pay anymore for still less after winning. You want to show us love, no problem. You can show us love if you want, as we are serving you better, so you can show us love. But the payment for it is just once, lifetime payment. Not that you'll be renewing every month you pay this. No, it's a once payment for a lifetime. So I'll be giving you odds, high, small odds that you can stake high, and also for those that are doing rollover also have their own. So that is how all this works. So if you're interested, you can chat me on WhatsApp with number showing on the screen. Let me also call the number, which is 07036760527. This is the WhatsApp number also showing on the screen of this video. You can follow us on this, you can subscribe to our channel on these two accounts, Correct Bet and also Match Bet and Win. So I'm the owner of the two channels. So chat us. Don't forget to subscribe and also click that notification button so that you'll be notified anytime that I post new video. Don't forget, it's very important. Click the notification button so that anytime I post video immediately, you will be the first to see them. So for Zoom Soccer, if you're interested to get the new tricks, can chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. Correct Bet and also Match Bet and Win are the same. So you can follow us here and also follow us on other channel. All right, guys. See you on WhatsApp.